I have some students data and the scoring of their students, and I have a grading system. Like I want to map some data like from this range to this range, like 90 to 100 give them A, 80 to 89 give them B, and then 70 to 79 C, 60 to 69 D, and below 60 it must be F. So these are the grading system. If you have any kind of situation, you can use switch function. What you need to do, you will type switch and then you will type true. After that, you will create your function like B4 92. If the score is lying in B4 greater than 90, give them A. B4 greater than 80, give them B. Whoever having less than 60, give them F. So you enter, you see this student has 90 is A, 85 B, 78 C, 65 D, and below 60 F. You can use switch function if you have a mapping, range, data grading system.